Hello, everyone, and welcome to Groyo Learning, your go-to source for insights in the apparel and textile industry. Today, we shall be discussing a crucial tool in garment manufacturing, the Operation Bulletin. In garment manufacturing, precision and efficiency are key to delivering high-quality products. The Operation Bulletin is an essential tool that ensures these standards are met, detailing step-by-step procedures for garment production. An operation bulletin includes garment details, operation sequences, and machine requirements. It specifies the standard allowed minutes, SAM, for each operation, aiding in production planning and efficiency tracking. The operation bulletin also outlines hourly and daily targets based on SAM and efficiency. Quality control points are identified to ensure garments meet specified standards throughout the production process. Creating an operation bulletin begins with gathering detailed information about the garment style and product type. Operations are sequenced for efficient production flow, considering operation breakdown and garment construction. Each operation is documented with details like serial number, operation name, SAM, machine type, and required operators. Quality checkpoints and manual tasks like pressing, tagging, and packing are added to the bulletin. This ensures all aspects of production are covered, maintaining high standards and efficiency. After detailing all operations, a machine summary is calculated, including total SAM, number of operators, and machines required. This comprehensive overview aids in efficient production line setup. An example of a completed operation bulletin for a crew neck t-shirt showcases all required details. Following these steps ensures a well-organized and efficient production line setup. Thank you for watching and happy manufacturing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, this is Groyo Learning signing off.